Hello, my name is Deepsa. Starting with the sixth part of trigonometry. Okay, now this is going to be slightly different. This is a topic called complementary angles in the books, and for past 2 years or so, it had been deleted from class 10 syllabus. Okay, they don't teach this topic in class 10. But what is happening is I got a few queries where they have not done it in class 10. Now they are in class 11 or they are in class 12 and they need this topic there. Obviously, अब 9th-10th में छोड़ दिया था, नहीं करा था, but 11th-12th में वो यूज होता है. So they're finding it difficult to understand this complementary angles because वो delete हो गया था syllabus से 9th-10th. Very well, we can easily do it. We can, anyway, even if it is coming, not coming, it's a very simple topic, very simple topic. You laugh at it later on कि क्या है. So we'll just quickly take it up. एक तो उसका मुझे नाम नहीं पसंद, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. इंसान देख के डर जाए, क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, क्या एंगल्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज इट्स नेम. In this video, whenever we are referring to this topic, I'll not call it complementary angles. I'll call it 90-degree friends. I'll explain what it means. I'll call it 90-degree friends. Just so much more soothing to listen to and see. Complementary angles, my God. Okay. So first of all, we know what trigonometry has. It has 6 main terms: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. Out of these, what happens is, when you have a bunch of 6 children, what happens is not that all of them would be friends necessarily. हो सकता है 2 हो सकता है 3 हो सकता है 4 हो. So if you have a group, it's not necessarily that all of them are friends together. Here also same thing happens. There are 6 of them, but sine is a friend to cos. It's a friend to cos only. It doesn't like to talk to other people. Similarly, sec is a friend of cosec only. They go along well. Okay, and now what is left is tan is a friend of cot. That's all we need to remember. Which two are friends? Sine and cos are friends together. Sec, cosec are friends together, and tan and cot. So we've understood the term friends. What is this 90-degree? देखो, whenever we have a friendship, what is a balanced friendship? When can I say sine and cos are equal? जिसमें अगर एक में कोई कमी है, so that other person rises up and tries to balance that kami in the other person. Okay, this person is weak in English. This person becomes very good in English and tries to compensate for both of them. फिर वो इसको पढ़ाएगा and they'll come to the same level. Okay, maybe the example is not very good. Let's talk maths only. 90-degree means if one friend has 20 degrees, the other friend should have 70 degree. Clear and simple. अगर 20 है तो दूसरे फ्रेंड के पास 90 डिग्रीज 70 डिग्रीज होना चाहिए. अगर फर्स्ट फ्रेंड के पास 1 डिग्री है, सेकंड फ्रेंड के पास 89 डिग्री होना चाहिए. दे शुड एड अप टू 90. दे शुड एड अप टू 90. अगर एक फ्रेंड के पास 77 है तो दूसरे 7 के पास 23 डिग्री होना चाहिए. सो दैट 13 डिग्री होना चाहिए, जिससे दे एड अप टू 90. That's all what is meant by 90-degree or what is meant by complementary. तो हम ये चीज़ अगर यहाँ लिखें, that means if sine has 20 degree, what should cos have? That means the cos should have 70 degree. and the moment it happens, they become equal partners in crime. Sine and cos were friends, but when? Under which condition? They were equal in the condition where their angles added up to 90. Same thing here. If this is sec 20, or let's take another value, if this is sec 10, when will it be equal to, or when will it be friends to cosec? जब इसका angle supports this angle and together they make up 90 degree, then they'll become equal. Here also same concept. If I have 50 degree, it will become equal here only if there is a 40 degree. That's all it means. Tan or cot are friends, pakka, that they'll become equal if their angles they together support and make up 90 degree. That's why the word complementary also. Complementary angles. You know the meaning of complementary angles, where the sum is 90 degree. I hope I've tried to make it simpler. Okay. That's the whole concept. Now it's just solving the questions very simply, very easily. Thoda sa dhyan se. Okay. So suppose we'll take the first question. Suppose it is sine 20 upon cos 70. Okay. This is the only question. You have to find the value. Find value. अब क्या करें? हमें sin 20 की वैल्यू पता होती है? नहीं पता होती. cos 70 की वैल्यू पता होती है? नहीं पता होती. Now, but the first thing is what we have to do is notice if angles add up to, अगर अननोन एंगल्स, अगर वो वाले टिपिकल एंगल्स होते हैं 30, 60, 45, 90, तो हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है. पर ये अजीब अजीब से एंगल्स देंगे तो हमें सबसे पहले नोटिस करना पड़ेगा कि विच टू विल एड अप टू 90. Okay, we can see that these two will add up to 90. The moment they are adding up to 90, we go to the friends concept. Second step is change only one term. जो फ्रेंड्स बनाने हैं जिसका एडिशन 90 आ रहा है, उनमें से आप दोनों को मत छेड़ो. एक को एज इट इज रखो, दूसरे को चेंज कर दो. Suppose I decide to keep sin 20 as it is. My wish. You could do otherwise also. I decide to keep sin 20 as it is. I will change this. I'll replace this by its friend. Cos 70 का equal क्या होगा? Cos का friend sin, और 70 को complete करने के लिए क्या चाहिएगा? 70 को complete करने के लिए 20 चाहिएगा. So instead of cos 70, I have written sin 20. Cos की जगह उसका फ्रेंड sin डाल दिया, और 70 को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें 20 चाहिए. That's what we got. Oh, now there's nothing left. We have crossed it out, and the answer for this question will be simple 1. That's simple it is. You just have to see 2 steps. Notice wherever the angles are 90, and then only change one of them. Out of that pair, change only one term. Don't start changing all of them. Let's take another example. Let's take sin 13 and plus sin 80 minus cos 77 minus cos 10 maybe. Okay, we have used this question and you have to find the value. Okay, they're not normal numbers. Normal numbers are 30, 60, 45, 90 जिसकी वैल्यूज हमें पता होती हैं. अभी वो नॉर्मल नंबर्स नहीं है. जैसे हमें दिखा कि these are not normal numbers, our brain goes towards the friends, 90-degree friends concept. Okay. Yeah, 90 है कोई? Are any two angles adding up to 90? Yeah. These two are adding up to 90. Let's keep them close to each other. All I'm doing is keeping जिस जो 90 बना रहे थे ना, उनको मैं अपने आसपास एक साथ रख रही हूँ. I've put them close to each other. This is also making 90. So I'll put them close to each other. This is also making up 90, right? So I have kept them close to each other. What was the second rule? After we had identified what is making up 90, second rule was एक ही चीज को change करो, दूसरी चीज को change मत करो. ठीक है? Suppose I decide to change this and keep it as it is. I want to keep this as it is, but change this. How will I change this? Sine का friend cos. 13 को कौन complete करेगा? 13 को 90 तक पहुंचने में कैसे complete होएगा? अगर 13 के साथ 77 ऐड कर दो, it will become 90. So you will put that number that will make it reach 90. So you have got 77 and you have this. This is from the first part. Okay, here I decide I'll keep this as it is. I want to keep sin 80 as it is. I'll have to change this. Cos ka friend, sin. How will you make this 90? You can make this 90 by putting an 80. If you 10 के साथ आप 80 को support कर दोगे, it will become 90. That's why I put 80 here to support it. Now, what do you have? Cos 77 minus cos 70. So you get a 0. Here, sin 80 minus sin 80. You get a 0. So what is the final answer? That's it. Right? Okay. Now, very, very typical question I'll take, which is there always, and okay, just because it is there everywhere, we'll just do it once. It's like tan 1, tan 2, and dash, 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 tan 89, and we have to find its value. I have to find its value. Okay, let's see. Normal numbers नहीं है, 30, 60, 90 नहीं है. फौरन हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया 90 डिग्री फ्रेंड्स वाला, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का कॉन्सेप्ट सोचो. 1 का पेयरिंग अप है 90 के लिए, है कोई? 89. 1 and 89 will together make up 90. ठीक है, तो वो हो गए ना, पास पास रखने दे. Yes, we can close to each other. Tan 1, tan 89. I'm not doing anything. This, all of it is in multiplication. So I just shifted its place. I've kept it close to 1. 89 and 1 है. अब आया tan 2. यहाँ tan 2 है, यहाँ 89 है, डैश डैश है, तो यहाँ tan वो भी तो होएगा 88 हो गई. And 2 and 88 can be clubbed together because they are adding up to 90. Okay. Now देखते हैं बीच में क्या होगा. Let's go a little ahead. एक 44 होगा और एक 46 भी होगा और एक 45 भी होगा, राइट? tan 44, tan 45, 26 वो भी तो आएंगे सीक्वेंस में by the time you reach 89. Okay. 44 and 46 can be clubbed because they are adding up to 90. ये भी यूजअप हो गए. बचा क्या? एक tan 45 रह गया which was not grouped. So it remains this into this into this into this into this into this. Okay, we are very sad that it could not be grouped. Let's see how will we handle it. How will we handle it? It is so simple. It is tan 45, one of the standard values, whose value is. So all we do it, remove this and multiply it by 1. multiplied by 1, which will not even make any difference. So that you have this and multiplied by 1. क्या करें? Change one of them. Keep tan 1 as it is. This will become इसका friend cot. How will you complete it to 90? By making it y. This as it is. इसका friend cot. How to complete it to 90? By 2. Similarly, between dash dash, tan 44, friend cot. How do I make it 90? By 44. Now, वैसे तो अभी तक समझ आ जाता है tan 1 cot 1, we just cross it and it is 1. But suppose शुरू में नहीं समझ आ रहा है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? tan 1. Can I replace it by 1 upon tan 1? Tan and cot are reciprocals of each other, no? Tan cot is 1 by tan, or tan is 1 by cot, right? So that's all I have done. How has this become cot? Oh no, so sorry, I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, it was cot only. What am I doing? Cot 1 है, I can change that 1 upon tan. Good. One term. Here this remains this. हुआ क्या? कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. This got cut 1. Multiplied by this got cut 1. Multiplied by this got cut 1. इतने बड़े से डिफिकल्ट लुकिंग क्वेश्चन का आंसर इज 1. Just keep track of what is adding up to 90. Just keep track of whose friend and change only one term. Change only one term. Don't start fiddling around with both of them. No. All right. Thank you.